Ford Motor Company will again boost production of its hot-selling Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator this summer as both vehicles continue to gain share over their competitors in the large SUV segment. Surging demand for Expedition and Navigator is driving an increase in production of 20% at Ford's Kentucky truck plant in Louisville. Retail sales of the Expedition 8-passenger SUV surged 35% and it gained 5.6 percentage points in market segments share last year. Expedition's average transaction price increased $11,700 and is now $62,700. Navigator sales grew 70% in 2018 from 2017 to 17,839 sold, giving Navigator its best sales year since 2007. To produce even more Expeditions and Navigators, Ford has increased the line speed at Kentucky truck plant. The manufacturing team gathered a group of salaried and hourly workers together to analyze the cycle times of each operation and found there were jobs that could not be completed in the allotted time. So they added more workstations and split up some tasks to ensure employees can complete jobs with quality craftsmanship and in the time allotted. The plant team also had to get creative in its use of space, adding pits and platforms so more line operators working in the same area can execute tasks while complying with the varying height requirements as the vehicle moves down the assembly line. All of this translates into a need for more people to build these popular vehicles. So Ford is adding 550 jobs at Kentucky truck plant and moving approximately that same number of jobs from Louisville assembly plant to increase Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator production by 20%. Vehicle production will increase after the summer shutdown in July.
Push them all. That's Y. That's X.
Very good.
That's around Z.
You've made a successful tool. Congratulations.
That's awesome.
part right here.